so Carlos Yulo is gonna be on ASAP to honor him, and look what they have here. Looks so cute. Photos of Carlos when he's in the palarong pambansa.
Alam niyo po, grabe, napakalaki inspirasyon po ni Carlos. Hindi lang po sa akin, but sa napakaraming tao dito sa Pilipinas. Ako po, as a singer, kahit po magkaiba po kami ng tinatahak na journey, you know, sobrang nakaka-inspire po na may makitang Filipino talaga na representative all over the world po na nagkakaroon ng ganitong milestone. So, ayun po, parang para sa akin po, kayang-kaya talaga ng mga Pinoy. As in, sobra dapat natin pinapaniwalaan yung sariling atin.
Siyempre, hindi lang isa, kundi dalawang gold medal. Kaya gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang pinatuwa at pinasaya mo kami lahat ng Pilipino. Congrats po! Ano, let's go for 3 sa LA!
So excited for the tribute for Carlos Yulo on ASAP. We've got Donnie Pangilinan, Martin Rivera, Gary V, Robby Domingo, Aaron Santos, Regine.
Oh, you made us all proud as a Filipino, and today we will honor you, your achievements, and sobrang nakaka-proud kasi napakalaki ng binigay mong honor sa ating bansa. First star,
Getting like this.
Penye.
Penging pera.
Yulo has brought so much pride to this country. All 4'9" of him, he's a giant in the industry.
That is
because
so
of what he's done for this country. He's gold all the way, which means what? Which means what? We Filipinos must always strive for the gold.
Yes. Right. Stars getting ready for their tribute for Carlos Yulo on ASAP.
Honestly, first of all, it's such a big honor that we get to be able to be with him today. It's my first
Yeah.
time meeting him.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure magiging starstruck ako. Because we
Yeah.
watched him when you were in LA, live stream. And we were very much attentive to everything he was doing because we really were rooting for him. And when he got the first gold pa lang, sobrang proud na kami. Nag-post pa nga ako, sabi
Yeah.
ko, congratulations. And most especially when he got the second gold. You know, he just brings so much honor and pride to the country, and a lot of people, even internationally, are talking about it.
Yeah.
They're even talking about how supportive, you know, our country is
That's
towards
true,
him
no?
after everything that
Yeah.
he's accomplished, which he really deserves. Because I've seen videos of him at a young age working very hard, like 7, 8.
Yes, yeah,
Being
really
already
young.
pararong pambansa and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So, you know, seeing it all pay off, it's super nice to see.
Yeah, and you know how it is as an athlete yourself, how ang sobrang hirap yung gymnastics, di ba?
Oh my gosh.
The hours.
My sister used to compete also gymnastics, so
Oh,
we should watch
yeah.
her as kids. So it's really cool to see Carlos. I can't wait to meet him.
Hi, what's up, Carlos? This is your long lost brother. I'm Robbie. Pero ako hindi ako nag-flip eh. Flip top lang ako. Pero I just wanna say, we are so proud of you, and my wish is for you to get some rest because you deserve it. After all the craziness that's happening, I know,
Yeah.
grabe yung clamor para kay Carlos Yulo. Pero I just hope he finds time to enjoy his win. We were in Los Angeles for ASAP LA when he was doing his routines.
Oo.
Tas parang we were so amazed because it was like 11 p.m. over there.
Yeah.
No, it was morning there, 11 p.m. over here. And then, grabe yung pakiramdam na to win 1 gold medal is enough. But how much more to win 2 gold
Yeah.
medals? So we had to incorporate that in our spiel in LA. And then, it was just a proud moment.
Yeah.
Nung lumipad siya, parang lahat tayo napatumbling din. Masaya.
Yeah.
And right now, he's here again in ABS-CBN. He met some of his idols, kapamilya actors and
Yeah.
artists here. And now we're gonna give him one of the biggest and one of the most sincere tributes for
Nice.
ASAP. So we're so excited to meet our 2-time gold medalists.
super kinabahan po Ma'am Diane. Super. But I had so much fun po. And then si Kuya Ruby, Ate Maymay, and Kuya Edward po were the ones who interviewed me also 5 years ago. The exact same po on I-1 po. So that made me super happy, like extra happy po.
Congrats, Kuya Carlo! Galingan mo pa po!
Getting backstage, look at this. Oh. Okay, I think Carlos is gonna love this. Fighting his gold medal.